Hey guys, Mr. B here, giving you another video on limits of trig functions. So this is, I think this is our first example. A very typical example where we have a limit involving sine of x. So there's one limit that we might want to keep in mind. One that we can use, a basic limit that we can use as a rule, and that's the limit as x approaches 0 of sine, and I think the way they're writing the curriculum guide is k x over x is equal to k. So when you have some number in front of the inside the sine function, in front of your variable inside the sine function, you got to keep that in mind. That's actually your limit when it's written like this. So when we have an example like this, what we want to do is try and make it look as much as possible like this guy. So if we can make it look like that, that's really ultimately what we're trying to do. So where we have the 4 on the bottom, what I can actually do is I can take that 4 out. So I'll show you what I mean now. So I have the limit as x approaches 0, and instead of writing 4x on the bottom, I'll write 1 over 4 and then times sine of 10x over x. So these are exactly the same thing. The first step and the last step are exactly the same thing. It's just that now this guy looks a little bit more like my limit I have over here to the side. So that way I can just write this limit here, sine 10x over x, as well as 10. So I evaluate my limit. I have 1 over 4, then times 10, or 5 over 2, or 10 over 4, which reduces down to 5 over 2. Alright, hopefully this was helpful.